Manipur's Chief Minister N.Biren Singh took to microblogging site X to share his recent interaction with women groups, clubs and organizations in Sekmai and Lamsang. The event held at the Durbar Hall of the Secretariat saw the Chief Minister chairing discussions on various government measures aimed at maintaining harmony and implementing welfare programs across sectors. Singh expressed gratitude for the overwhelming support from the women's community towards these initiatives. The enthusiasm, he noted, plays a crucial role in the success of government schemes and the overall well-being of the state. However, against the backdrop of escalating violence in Manipur, Singh issued a stern warning on January 3. The Chief Minister conveyed his deep distress over recent violent incidents, particularly the Lilong Chingjao firing in Thoubal district. This unfortunate incident claimed the lives of 4 villagers at the hands of cadres belonging to the Revolutionary People's Front, the political wing of the Ban People Liberation Army. The violence was purportedly linked to disputes over illegal drug trade revenue, shedding light on the grim consequences of such criminal activities. CM N.Biren Singh visited the injured at the Rajmahal city and condemned the acts in a heartfelt video message urging the people of Lilong to maintain peace. Singh stated the government stands against lawlessness, making it clear that strict measures will be taken against those who continue to take the law into their own hands. He went on to warn that the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, the ASPA, could be reinstated if the situation demands it.